Hello everyone, I'm John and this is Just a Gearhead, and in today's episode we're going to try to make the two pieces of the frame back to being one. Alright, stay tuned. So like I said, in this episode, we're going to try to make the frame one piece again. So first we're going to do is go over it with a flapper wheel, clearing off as much of the rust and scale as we can, prep it for welding, and then I've got some metal. We're going to try to weld it back together. We'll have to level it and locate it to where it needs to be and then weld it up and clamp it all together. So first we'll start with just cleaning as much of that scale and stuff off the frame as we can. Alright, let's get to it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a grinder with a flapper wheel on it. We're going to clean off all the scale and rust from any paint that's on the mating surfaces. And yeah, and then after that we'll get it all level and square and then mock up the new metal to be welded in and see if my welder will do the trick. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, cut my thumb. That's why you shouldn't take the guards off of grinders. But I bought 4.5 instead of 4-inch flapper wheels, so I took the guard off, but that's why you shouldn't. Anyways, Band-Aid, we'll get back to it. so now that we got the frame rails all ground and flapper wheeled and cleaned off, the rust and whatnot, we need to get everything squared up and level with each other. So I got a 6-foot level and a measuring tape, and this might take a few minutes. Alright, so I've got the frame level on jack stands, cross measured in all 4 or 5 directions, trying to figure out, make sure it's square, and it seems to be all nice and square and level across each plane. So yeah, now it's time to see if my welder will weld this stuff. So what I have here is actually, I couldn't find like a C-channel or box that would match up well with this shape or size. So what I bought is 2 different sizes of angle. So I'm going to put one on top, one on the bottom after. So I'm going to try to weld up as much of the top one first before I put on the bottom one. And they'll kind of then I'll run a seam down the center of them probably. They're 3/16. The frame was only 1/8, so this should be plenty strong to support the weight of the Buick. And yeah, so let's see if the welder works. So that'll be it for this episode of Just a Gearhead. Might be a little shorter because I spent a lot of time just messing around with him, making sure everything was straight and square and everything like that. So camera didn't catch all that. So yeah, my welder sucks. So if anybody wants to sponsor me with, give me a new good welder, that'd be nice. But anyways, so yeah, please comment, like, subscribe. We have merchandise. If you want a shirt, go to the link in the description. Should be on Redbubble. And yeah, we'll see you guys next time.